Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going to act fast. First, make sure you have at least 500 MB free because low storage causes crashes. Restart the phone to kill transient issues, then go to Settings, Apps, and force stop the target app so you get a clean restart. Once done, clear the app cache to remove corrupted temp files and immediately check Play Store for updates. Updating fixes bugs. Make sure to avoid clearing app data unless you need to preserve settings or logins. If the crash persists, reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the culprit. If the problem stops, remove recent installs. If safe mode doesn't help, uninstall app updates or the app itself and reinstall from Play Store to replace corrupted binaries. Next, check permissions and background data. An app blocked from storage or network can fail. Also, make sure battery optimization isn't killing the app. Exempt it briefly to test continuous operation. As a final path, back up your app data, then consider a factory reset only if other fixes fail, because resetting fixes deep system corruption but costs time. Before that, verify Google Play services and system updates are current, and confirm carrier or Wi-Fi APN settings if networking is involved. If the app still crashes, enable developer options, capture logs, or use Logcat to pinpoint the fault, and share that evidence with support. One troubleshooting tip: test on another device to isolate device versus app issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.